M0FXB. So I had a question about the PTT and the internal microphone on a XIEGU X6100. So I'll just show you how I got mine set up to show you that it does work. So I'll show you first now. The microphone is, move this out of the way. The microphone is here. It's a small hole here. Not the brightest, there you are. See if I can get some light. It's about here. So anyway, so I've got an antenna connected, of course, G5RV, and I've tuned it to make sure that we're within SWR. We don't want it not transmitting because the SWR is too high. So PTT is just here, very handy. It means you can put an antenna, here, and it's almost like a walkie-talkie. So if I go into LSB, so this button here, LSB, and then push the PTT, and you'll see as I TX, there'll be, it will show on the scope. So watch this. M0FXB, M0FXB test. You can see it's working fine, and that is the internal microphone. I'll show you the setting for that. Now I'm running version 1.1.5. I can show you that by going system setting, firmware, system info, turn this knob here so you get a square highlighted, and then push, and look, 1.1.5. That's the latest firmware, so do that as well, because I think this firmware version is quite good. And then now we'll go push radio settings #1 here, and we'll move the orange square to where it says mic select. Now there is a selection to select auto, and I can go back and show you that for me seems to work. Remember, there's no fist microphone connected at all on this radio. It's not connected. So let's do it again. M0FXB test. So it does seem to be working. Now let's just, out of interest, select the hand microphone. It says here handle. Let's go back. You know how glitchy these things can be. M0FXB. Look, M0FXB. There is something there, M0FXB, but I would say it's a dead carrier. There's something there, but there's no audio. So now let's go back to settings, and now we'll select it says built-in microphone there. We'll go back like so. Then we'll do it again. M0FXB test, M0FXB test, and you can see there my audio is definitely working. And let's just see if we can hear any activity while we're here. Change the frequency selection. Now we do have the filter turned on. If I push DFN, noise reduction off now. It will go louder that way. Little tune through. Not overly busy today. My RF gain, normally like it more in the 40s. And then up and down the band. We'll try that. We're on 0.6 watt. Let's tune it. There's a couple of stations there. So the most common question I get on this radio is, why buy it? It's got all the bugs, it's not finished. It's not a finished radio. It's had 7 firmware upgrades. I'll tell you why. Because it's actually really well priced. Now I've got the handles on mine. It works great as a HF portable transceiver with a built-in tuner and microphone PTT. It just works. You can pick faults that you can go, oh, it does this, it does that. Okay, do that. But what really matters is, can I get this radio, go in my car with a length of wire, and work the world with the right antenna? Definitely, yes, you can. It works. And that's why it's worth £550 in the UK, instead of with a ICOM 705, which I do have, and I really like my 705. Yeah, I've got it here. Excellent radio. Let's swap the antenna while we're here. Get on the same band. Well, let's just keep it on 7160.
Smaller project, but well, that I can do another time. So another opportunity.
Works great, and to me,
So, bye for now, Chris.
I will swap back and show you the difference. They both have filters.
See you on Sunday. Oh no, well, no, I don't think that.
What's the difference? You know, 705, X6100. 705 is a high quality product. Everything has been made precision, high quality. You won't find problems with the 705, but there's no tuner. There's no built-in microphone, although you can Bluetooth a microphone, and there is a built-in PTT. Watch, you can set it on there. Let's see that. I just went into TX. You can set it within the settings. Now, if I go on back to the XIEGU 7151, just for fun, like so, turn it up. 7151, and the XIEGU is just it's just excellent. I just think for what you pay. 7151, same station, same antenna. Let's tune it. Oh, you're not getting him now, are we? No, he's there. Oh look, we're on AM, so. There you go. I find that the sensitivity seems quite good. Not quite as good as a 705. The speaker isn't as good, but it's still completely fine. Obviously, but when you plug in headphones and an external speaker, it's actually very good. I mean, you get all these snazzy little buttons and lovely, you know, you saw the menu, didn't you? Yeah, big menu, tuner, SWR graph. I know that the 705 does have SWR. We come out of that, I'll show you the graph, move away from the frequency, just hit app, CW decode, SWR scan, there it is there, showing my SWR, like so, a couple of little funny places there, and you can speed that up or exit. So there you go. So this video is actually about the internal microphone selections, so that's what the video will be titled. 7.3, catch you on air, all the best, thanks for watching my channel.